We seem to be working evenings, weekends. We just had so much to fit in. While I thought we'll get somebody else.
The main reason why I started the business in the first place is to have more freedom, and it was the total opposite. It was working every night, every weekend. That's why we've come here as well, to try and escape that and come away from the tools a bit. 10,000 per month, and then now we are creeping up to more like 20k a month. We've been running a Google ad campaign, so we've got a good lead come through on that. We charged just shy of 50 grand.
Coming off the tools, one of us needed to come off in order to grow, because we kept talking all the time, oh, we need to grow, we need to do this, get bigger clients. Well, we're thinking we're going to do that, as if one of us is doing the sales. We thought we have to scale up to one of us to drop back. We didn't really understand the figures on how much it's actually going to cost to run a successful campaign. We didn't really know how much you need to pump into your marketing to get the better leads. Now we've got a lot better idea about how much we need to spend per month. It's a no-brainer, really. If you are just a tradesman,
Get yourself down to the discovery day, and then just from that alone you'll learn so much.